What's the good word, internet friends? This is Ian with clawtv.com. Today I'm just going to show you how to use the Exodus TV add-on for Kodi. So this is one of the best TV add-ons out there. Most people consider it the best TV add-on, so I recommend that you try it out. It's really awesome. I'm actually using it right now to watch a movie in HD, 1080p HD. So let's just check it out. So here we have my Fire TV and my Fire TV remote. You can see I'm just going to back out of this movie here and get to the Kodi home screen right here. So Exodus is the one right down at the bottom here. You can see it right there. Let's just go ahead and open that up. So Exodus is just streaming TV on steroids, essentially. It just has movies, TV shows, my movies, my TV shows, and even the search. The search option is my favorite there. So since that's one of the most commonly used features of the Exodus add-on, let's go ahead and go to search. Just press the center button on the Fire TV remote. And then it asks us if we want to search movies or TV shows. So in this case, let's select movies. And then we just need to enter whatever we want to search for. In this case, I'm going to search for a movie called Big Buck Bunny. And it's basically just a movie that's free for everybody that you can use to test different things. So I'm going to enter Big Buck Bunny right here. Alright, so we have our search term all entered. Let's go ahead and highlight that done and hit enter on that. So that's going to search for this movie. You can see there's just one result. Let's select that result, press the center button on that. So it's just going to find all the sources that this movie has available. So it should take just a few seconds. And then when it's done finding our sources, it's just going to display all of those sources in a list. And it's going to do that from in order of highest quality to lowest quality. So at the top of that list, you're going to see 1080p sources, and you're also going to see HD sources. And then in the middle of the list, you're going to see SD or standard definition sources. So here at the top, you can see PrimeWire, DA clips, SD. And it looks like this movie actually does not have any HD or 1080p sources available, not from what we can see here. So this is just an exception to what I said earlier. Most movies do have an HD source available. But for this one, you can see it's just SD. So at this point, we just select a movie, stream, source, hit the center button on the Fire TV remote, and it's going to attempt to play this movie from that source. You can see it's working on it. And then usually if we see the words working in the right hand bottom corner there, usually that means it's usually going to work. So you can see the movie is starting here. We don't see any jittery playback yet or any buffering or anything like that. So that's usually a good sign. That usually means you've selected a good source. But if we did not select a good source, I just hit pause on the remote here, and then I hit the little back button, and then we just select a different source. Choose the next one down in the list. So that's how we basically use Exodus. That's how we select a source. And now at this point, I'll show you how to install Exodus. It's pretty easy. Let's go back to the Fire TV home screen. Not the Fire TV home screen, but the Kodi home screen. And in the Kodi home screen, we just go over to Programs, Add-on Installer. And if you don't have the add-on installer, watch my video on how to add that to your Kodi. It's pretty easy. But once we have the add-on installer, we can just go open that and then go to Featured Add-ons. And then under Featured Add-ons, we'll see a ton of awesome add-ons, and there's Exodus right there. So we just select that, and then we should get an option that says Install, and then we just hit Install. So there's the actual icon to install it. We hit that, and then we click Install. So that's how we install Exodus. And then as far as updating Exodus, really the best way to do that is just uninstall it and reinstall it. So that's really the easiest, best way to do that. And then aside from that, you have all these other TV add-ons that you can check out. But once again, Exodus is one of the best, so check that out. Get some awesome TV and movies streaming using that. Check out my other tutorials and check out clawtv.com. So get some movies in your life and check out Exodus.